Hi guys, today I'm doing a puppet show. Want to see everyone? Yeah, I know you. Let's go. Hi, I'm the prince. Hi, I'm the princess. Hello. Hello, little princess. Hello, James. Hello, everyone. My name is called James. Hello, everyone. My name is called Sophia. We're kids. Now, where should we go on the adventure today, Sophia? Oh, let's go to a castle. Oh, look. There's a castle. Let's check it out. Ah! Goblins! Run! Run! Ah! Magic, do your thing. Yes, I freed the goblin. Let's go. Whoa, thank goodness you saved Princess. What have you been? Oh, I was being captured by the goblin, but then I turned him with my magic wand into a cat. Oh, thank goodness you're safe. Well done, Princess. Let's go back to a real castle. That sounds like a great idea. My puppet show is finished. Thank you. Good boy. Goodbye. Goodbye.